Alight Motion Tutorial Guide from Beginners to Pro. This video will be covering layers. Open Alight Motion, click the plus sign, then click Create Project. Over here is your preview screen, and down here is your control pad. Click the plus button to add layers. There are so many layers you can find in this section. First is Shape Layer. Here you will find varieties of shapes and symbols. Next is Media Layer. Here you can add media from your phone storage. Next is Audio Layer. You can add any audio file from here. Next is Object and Element. Here you will find Camera, Null, Empty Group, and Element Project. We will be discussing each of them later in this series. Next is Template Layer. You can add templates from here. Next is Freehand Drawing. You can draw anything with this. After drawing, you can reduce the thickness or decide to change the color of the lines or shapes you have drawn. Next is Vector Drawing. When your vector drawing is activated, you have an indicator of the preview screen. You can start drawing from anywhere by tapping on the control pad. Swipe on your control pad to position your points for the drawing. To make a drawing like this, click then move your point to the next position, then click on the control panel. Then move to the position and click until you are satisfied with the paths you are drawing. To smoothen the curves, click on this point, then click this graph. Every point you click is activated on your preview screen. Last is the text layer. Go ahead and type anything you want like this. Select the fonts. All your fonts are here. There are categories you can also choose from. The last option here means you can import fonts also from your storages. You can change the size and color of the text. Now, click anywhere to deactivate the keyboard. Click on Move and Transform to adjust the text position and size.